Importance of electronic records and signatures in pharmaceuticals. A way to digital maturity. Greetings from Everyday GMP. I am your presenter from Everyday GMP. Everyday GMP is a training and solutions provider, aimed to provide solutions to your problems and enrich the soft and technical skills of professional individuals and organizations to meet all criteria required in the life science industry, pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, cosmeceuticals, and related academia. Today we will discuss importance of electronic records and signatures in pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceutical companies can play a central role in the digital revolution of healthcare. But capturing this opportunity requires identifying the right initiatives. Before we start, please subscribe to get more informative videos. So, let's start. So we will discuss it today. Introduction. US FDA, CFR Part 11 Benefits of Electronic Records and Signatures. Electronic records and signatures applications in the pharmaceutical industry legal requirements. In the last we will conclude an introduction. So, let's start. An electronic record is any information created, generated, transmitted, or stored in digital form, such as a digital document, audio or video recording, database, or email. Electronic records can be created, stored, and transmitted using various electronic devices and systems, such as computers, mobile devices, servers, and cloud services. An electronic signature is a digital representation of a person's signature that is used to sign an electronic record. Electronic signatures can take many forms, such as a typed name, a digital image of a handwritten signature, a cryptographic signature, or a biometric signature, which uses unique physical characteristics, such as a fingerprint, to authenticate the signer's identity. Before we understand in detail, we must know the United States Food and Drug Administration, Code for Federal Regulation, Part 11. CFR Part 11 is a regulation issued by the US FDA that outlines the criteria under which electronic records and electronic signatures are considered to be trustworthy, reliable, and equivalent to paper records and handwritten signatures. US FDA, CFR Part 11. The regulation applies to all FDA-regulated industries and requires electronic records and signatures to be secure, accurate, traceable, and compliant with applicable FDA regulations. Specific requirements include audit trails, electronic copies, and electronic signatures. The purpose of CFR Part 11 is to ensure the integrity, authenticity, and reliability of electronic records and signatures used in FDA-regulated activities. Benefits of electronic records and signatures. 1. Efficiency. 2. Accessibility. 3. Security. 4. Cost savings. 5. Environmental impact. In the last, compliance. So start. Efficiency. Electronic records and signatures can streamline business processes, reducing the time and effort required to create, store, and manage records. Accessibility. Electronic records can be accessed from anywhere, at any time, and by multiple users simultaneously, making it easier to share information and collaborate with others. Security. Electronic records and signatures can be encrypted, password protected, and backed up, making them more secure than paper records that can be lost, stolen, or damaged. Continuing to benefits of electronic records and signatures. Cost savings. Electronic records and signatures can reduce the costs associated with paper-based systems, such as printing, copying, storage, and retrieval. Environmental impact. Electronic records and signatures can help reduce the environmental impact of paper-based systems by reducing paper usage, printing, and waste. Compliance. Electronic records and signatures can help organizations comply with legal and regulatory requirements, such as those related to data privacy, security, and retention. Electronic records and signatures applications in the pharmaceutical industry. Electronic records and signatures have a wide range of applications in the pharmaceutical industry, including electronic batch records, EBRs. EBRs are electronic records that document the entire manufacturing process of a pharmaceutical product, from raw material receipt to finished product release. EBRs can help streamline production processes, reduce errors, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Electronic data capture, EDC. EDC systems are used in clinical trials to collect and manage data electronically, replacing traditional paper-based systems. EDC systems can improve data quality, reduce errors, and speed up the clinical trial process. Continuing applications. Electronic signatures. Electronic signatures can be used in the pharmaceutical industry to sign electronic documents, such as EBRs, laboratory reports, and quality control records. Electronic signatures can help improve the efficiency and accuracy of document management processes, while also ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. Electronic labeling. Electronic labeling systems can help pharmaceutical companies manage and update product labeling information electronically, reducing errors and improving compliance with regulatory requirements. In the application, computerized system validation, CSV, SAD phase, usually referred to as computer systems validation, is the process of testing, validating, qualifying a regulated, e.g., FDA 21 CFR 11, computerized system to ensure that it does exactly what it is designed to do in a consistent and reproducible manner that is as safe, secure and reliable as paper records. This is widely used in the pharmaceutical, life sciences, and biotech industries and is a cousin of software testing but with a more formal and documented approach. The validation process begins with the system proposal, requirements definition and continues until system retirement and retention of the e-records based on regulatory rules. Data integrity and audit trail. Data integrity is highly important in any industry, but especially so in the pharmaceutical industry where any data error could mean serious consequences. Data integrity is defined as the maintenance and assurance of data consistency and accuracy throughout its life cycle. Audit trail. The purpose of an audit trail is to make the electronic data secure and traceable. The audit trail is a regulatory requirement in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Audit trail shows in the record the name of persons who assess the computer system with the date and time. It also helps to recover the lost data. Regulatory requirements. 21 CFR Part 11. This regulation by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, establishes the requirements for electronic records and signatures in FDA-regulated industries, including pharmaceuticals. It outlines the criteria that must be met for electronic records and signatures to be considered trustworthy, reliable, and equivalent to paper records and handwritten signatures. EU GMP Annex 11. This guideline by the European Medicines Agency, EMA, outlines the requirements for electronic records and signatures in pharmaceutical manufacturing, distribution, and testing. It provides guidance on how to implement electronic systems that comply with EU GMP regulations and ensure the integrity, authenticity, and security of electronic records and signatures. Overall, the legal requirements for electronic records and signatures in the pharmaceutical industry are complex and vary by jurisdiction. It is essential for pharmaceutical companies to stay up to date with these requirements and implement electronic systems that comply with them. In the last, we conclude that it is a way to digital maturity. Overall, electronic records and signatures can help pharmaceutical companies improve their processes, increase efficiency, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, while also improving patient safety and care. Every organization should consider the design, development, and implementation of appropriate electronic records to manage records and other content. Using the requirements found in the US FDA's Title 21 Part 11 can give any organization the guidelines necessary to create and maintain appropriate electronic records. The full training courses are available on demand for on-site, online, and hybrid forms. We offer a variety of training packages in a range of subject areas and can offer blended learning opportunities to best meet your needs. If you would like a consultation to see how we can assist you with issues in your organization, please contact us. Please subscribe to the channel to get more videos. Contact +9 231125384445 email info@everydaygmp.com website www.everydaygmp.com